Sudhakar Reddy, TNN, July 6, 2018, 12:12 ISTFile photo of K Chandrashekar Rao Hyderabad. The Archaeological Survey of India, ASI, has written to the Telangana government, urging it to apply early for hosting Independence Day celebrations at Golconda Fort this August 15 to avoid last-minute issues. The ASI took the step in view of last year's experience when arrangements had to be made at the last minute in view of late communication from state government about wanting to hold the celebrations at Golconda Fort. Archaeological Superintendent Milan Kumar Chawli told TOI, "I wrote letters to the Telangana Chief Secretary, Principal Secretary, Protocol, and Hyderabad District Collector a week ago asking them to apply for permission early. According to the law related to protection of archaeological monuments, the application should be made 15 days ahead. The application has to be processed at the ASI headquarters in Delhi and then cleared by the union minister concerned, after which a gazette notification would be issued. The gazette notification is necessary as the monument will have to be closed for 2 days for security reasons," Chawli said. In 2017, the ASI did not have enough time to make necessary preparations due to the delay on the part of the state government, because of which the gazette notification could not be issued. As tickets are issued at Golconda, a gazette notification has to be issued to stop entry of visitors for its closure for 2 days. As it is a state function, the ASI will have to give a waiver of fee, for which procedures have to be followed. "We are in touch with the Hyderabad collector regarding the Independence Day celebrations," said Chawli. Now, ASI is awaiting the response from the state government. Tourism and Culture Secretary Venkatesham told TOI, "The Protocol Department is taking care of the arrangements for the Independence Day celebrations at Golconda Fort." Sources said, the Chief Secretary is likely to conduct a review meeting soon regarding arrangements for I-Day celebrations. Get latest news. Read more city news in English and other languages. Rated CRITICSUNIONSLINGINTERNATIONALWIRAL Gyan for Upki Crazy Freelancer Mutilated bodies of 2 Warangal blast victims sent for DNA analysis. On poaching mission to gain Greater Hyderabad foothold. Poor turned poorer after Telangana formation.